3 ways how to overcome boringness of the investing. In fact, real investing is very, very boring. Only 1% of the time you spend just to buy assets. If you follow a well-designed strategy, then your actions come down to 1. Deposit money to your account. 2nd is purchasing stocks according to the plan. And 3rd, you just leave your account, forgetting about it for a few more days, weeks, or even months. And how to deal with the desire of our brain to be active, how to force yourself not to be too active. The first one, you need to tell yourself a simple truth. The more action you do with brokerage account, the less profits you receive. The classic analogy with the soap. The harder you try to hold on the soap, the more it tends to slip out of your hands and the more it blurs until in the end only a small soap piece remains in your hands. The second one, you concentrate yourself on other aspects not related to investments, for example, on active income. Then your attention is far away from the investment portfolio and you focus yourself on generating more active income, which would be reinvested to increase your cash flows and potential capital growth. And the third one, you may have a speculative part of the portfolio. This is a fun money account to which I advise you to allocate no more than 5% of the capital. And by speculating with a limited amount, you will be able to satisfy your desire to active trading, and also potentially you will be once more convinced of the inefficiency or unprofitability of the speculative actions on the stock market. And as always, good luck with your investments.